Sorry guys, sorry. This is yummy. Very so good pero to them. That ayun ba? I'm 5 out of 10 and this is what? Hey, Kylie, give me that. Then don't go to our house. No, don't go to your house. No. Don't like that's yours. Hi, you're back to the challenge. Also, look at the guests coming. Now it'll be difficult. We're not gonna watch this iPad. Baby, put this away. By the way, we have 3 guests. We don't need this pillow. Oh, don't care about that. Oh no. Now let's put it this. Brother. I guess I put that there. Yeah, yes. Hot there. Look there. Who cares about that square? You eat that. To the judge, close the door. Open the door muna. Characters do the real. That's the door, real door. Come in. Hurry up, come in. Look. Is it cool? And lock it. If you want to come in, lock it. Lock it.
Ayaw mo maniwala. Ayaw mo
Tuturuan out.
Tinuturuan kita, ayaw mo makinig.
Go.
Kasi sa sobrang bigat, madudurog yung ilalim.
Bye, Kylie. Okay, go.
Kulit mo na.
Look at guys.
Paghanap ka ng isa, madudurog ang
I
ilalim.
said,
Siyempre, pag masyadong madami,
kind of thing.
maghintay ka.
It's so good.
Talagang dire-diretso.
I love the rain.
Kaya wala siya naririnig dyan.
Filipino. If you're Filipino, hey, if you're Filipino, that means common Filipino. When you're any country, you can just type here. Any country, and we'll read it. Also put your flag because. By the way, let's go back. Oh no, I forgot it. Sorry guys. I'm gonna put it right back. Dang it. Oh! Hatid na lang.
Napakadilim dyan.
No.
Saan dilim?
I just told you about this girl.
Oh, ito pa.
Go bar.
Gumamit nito. Nakagamit mo lang talaga. Kaya ka man naglagay ng tuwalya.
Oh, that's a Rika. Don't show your face, Kai, ha? Don't show but you already show her face. No. Look, come here. No! No. She's not telling your name. That's look at this is running.
Hindi naman kayo sa kulitan nyo.
Okay, then we'll go inside the camp. She's scared. I'm scared, Kemua. She said I'm scared. She's always What is wrong with you, Clary? Let's start the challenge. Kami. Oh! Look what it is.
Uy!
Take the iPad.
Anong tablet?
Ayan o.
Oh my God.
Isa! Pag yan, pumunta ka.
Stop, bro. Guys are crazy.
Tumigil kayo. Tumigil na, please! Tingnan si Kylie.
Ay, paluin mo na nga yung dalawa na para matigil.
I'm stupid. Guys, I'm sorry. I actually saw her face. Everybody saw her face. Because I do this one. I'm scared! Oh!
Ay, paluin mo na. Yan na.
Bye, guys.